Hey everybody, Burning Axe here from Hoof Productions, and welcome to another blind reaction. Sorry I haven't done one in a couple of days. I've been real busy with other stuff on my other channel and whatnot. Also, I just didn't feel like it, to be honest. I was down yesterday. Anyways, I want to mention a couple of things before I start this off. Number one, Melon Corvic, who you probably know, who I gave a shout out to recently. He's not getting any videos up as much these days. He's actually going to post an update video telling you guys why he's not going to be uploading as much. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. Number two, this has nothing to do with this channel, but my other channel, in my Agent Zero series, I've had to replace an actor for inconsistency. She wasn't doing too well with acting, and there's going to be an episode coming up in that series where she's going to need to put a lot of emotion into it, and she just can't do emotion. She's okay with it. I told her I had to let her go. I had to fire her, kind of thing. It was a tough decision to make, but but she wasn't doing too good at the acting, and but I found another actor who you all know as Nature's Fury, so now she is going to be playing the character Agent 2 in my Agent Zero series. She's already agreed to this, and she's already done a voice demo kind of thing. If you want to see what she sounds like as a character, then the link is in the description of this video. And that's pretty much that. If you want to check that out, you can do. Anyways, let's get into this blind reaction. So today we are going to be covering MLP Friendship is Magic Season 1 Episode 22, A Bird in the Hoof. Alright, let's get this started. 3, 2, 1, and go. Alrighty.
There you go, Mr. Mousy.
That is a really tiny wheelchair.
Now you stay off that leg and do everything I told you, and it'll be just like new in no time at all. Oh, you're welcome. Happy to be able to help.
Oh, she has a mouse hole in the house. What the hell? That's like a bloody reference to Alice in Wonderland.
You found a watch? You wanna be a watch?
He's trying to tell you that you're late for something.
Running out of time? No, you're late?
Fluttershy's late for something.
I'm late for a very important date. The big
date?
brunch for Princess Celestia at Sugar Cube Corner.
Why do you faint? Obviously that's not what she's late for.
We'd be there, but I'm not there. Oh, do I look alright? Do I need to bring anything? Maybe I shouldn't go. It's starting. I'm missing it.
Just go. Huh?
Thanks, Angel. If you hadn't reminded me, I might have not remembered, and then I wouldn't be there, and every pony would be wondering where I was.
Just go!
Oh,
yeah.
I'm late.
She still comes back.
Oh, okay then. See you later.
What the fuck? Alright. Oh, so we're at the cake place then. Oh, it's guards.
To get to be one of the princess's royal guards anyway. Is the pay good? Hello? Anybody home?
Why would you want to be a royal guard? It seems like such a boring job for you, Rainbow Dash. You're not gonna make him move. That fucking face though.
Ooh, you're good. Too good. I'm bored.
Yeah.
Phew, made it.
Those wings.
Who goes there?
Who goes there?
No, never mind. I'll go home. It's all right, sirs. She's on the list. Thanks, Twilight. I'm so glad you could make it, Fluttershy. It wouldn't be the same.
Those guards are like the equivalent to the, I guess, the royal guards at Buckingham Palace or whatever you call them. The one with like the big beaver hats or whatever. I don't know.
How's every pony doing? Good? Good.
So apparently Mr. Cake is supposed to... someone told me that Mr. Cake is the voice actor who plays as him is the voice actor for Vegeta in the ocean dub version of Dragon Ball Z.
It's over 9,000! What, 9,000?
I can't hear that. I can't hear the voice. I guess it's just a totally different voice.
I just know Princess Celestia is gonna love that about you. I mean, I hope she will. I mean, of course she will. Wow, Twilight. I thought I was the only one who got nervous at social gatherings.
Oh, it's not that. I just want the princess to approve of my friends.
I thought she's seen your
She's
friends.
met us all before.
Yeah.
And read about you in my letters. But this is the first time she spent any real time with you. I want every pony to make a good impression.
Well, I'm sure you have nothing to worry about. Besides, it's just a casual get-together, right?
Don't touch me! Watch the dress! Careful! You're gonna spill that on me!
Trust Rarity to mess it
Ooh,
up.
That looks delicious. What is it? Oh, does it stain? Keep it away from me!
Perhaps not that casual.
What the hell?
Which is the salad and which is the appetizer again? And which am I supposed to eat first?
Just pick something and eat it. Jesus Christ.
Oh, never mind. I'm not hungry.
It's okay, Twilight. So our friends' manners aren't perfect. I doubt the princess will even notice. Oh, chocolate fountain, goodness.
But she had pie on her face. What the hell just happened? Wow. That sound effect though. I've heard that 3 times or something now in the series.
1,000 pardons, Your Majesty.
A
That's
1,000
quite all right, thank you.
pardons. Nom 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 nom.
Empty teacup at 4 o'clock!
I see it, honey bun.
Oh,
Not at all, Your Highness.
Wow, she
Thank
drinks
you
tea
again.
quickly.
oh, but of course, Your
Or coffee, or
Majesty.
whatever that is. It's like coffee. And she didn't even do it that time. She trolled her. She trolled them. Princess Trollestia strikes again.
Fluttershy, is it?
Me? Oh, yes, Your Highness.
I understand from Twilight Sparkle's letters that you enjoy tending to the needs of woodland creatures.
Yes, I love to take care of animals.
As do I. As princess, I care deeply about all creatures, great and small. Nothing means more to me than the well-being of all my subjects. Ah, Philomena, my pet. You're awake. Do say hello to our gracious hosts.
That thing is dead, almost.
She is quite a sight, isn't she?
I've never seen anything like it.
Celestia doesn't take care of her pets too well, does she?
Well, if I must. I'm sorry, every pony. I'm afraid I have to cut the party short. The mayor has requested an audience with me. Royal duty calls. Thank you for a wonderful time. It's been a joy getting to know you all better.
Phew. Now I can eat something. I'm starved.
How do you do that? That doesn't seem physically possible.
Stay right where you are. All I want is a clear path to the exit. Nobody move, and my dress won't get hurt. Stand back! Back, I say!
What the hell? Hey, Spike.
Well, Spike, I don't know for sure how things went with the princess, but at
Loving that
least
sweet
no big
chef hat there,
disasters
Spike.
happened.
Spike the chef. Uh-oh. Let me guess. Fluttershy's taken the bird. Yeah, I knew it.
Poor little thing. How did you ever get in such bad condition? Don't
Maybe he's
you
super
worry,
old.
Philomena. I'll nurse you back to health. As a favor to the princess, who is obviously just far too busy to care for you properly. I'm sure the princess will appreciate the help.
Good lord. That bird is beyond help.
Better get you to bed right away. There.
Damn. Now it's too cold. Jesus Christ! What the hell? Why don't you put the blanket on it and the thing on the head? That way it's sort of evened out a little bit better. I don't think that would make much sense though.
Here you go,
A pill?
Philomena.
Really?
This will fix you right up. Dr. Fluttershy expected
Dr.
that.
Fluttershy. It's not stupid. I'm pretty sure it can see that you put the pill...
Always works.
Nope. Not when it's looking at the plate and like...
Almost There's nothing like homemade soup to cure
What kind of
ails
soup
you.
is that?
Come on now, you're not gonna get better if you don't cooperate. See? It's delicious.
You didn't do anything though, you
Good
just sort of
for you.
sniffed it. It's delicious. Taste it.
Here comes the choo-choo train. Chugga 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 woo woo!
That bird, man. Turned into Crash Bandicoot for a second there.
Dear. Don't worry, Philomena. I know what'll make you feel better. Wait right here. I have just the thing. Look, Philomena. I brought a fellow feathered friend by to cheer you up. Hummingway here was sick once too, but he let me help him and got better in no time. Didn't you, boy?
The smile on that bird though.
Say hello to your new friend, Philomena. Aw, look. I think he likes you. Your turn now, Philomena.
I love she keeps singing the theme song. My Little Pony.
Good try. I know what'll clear up that tickle in your throat. A humidifier.
Oh, what now? A radiator. There's a sauna. I don't think that... that doesn't work,
How's
does
that
it?
feeling now for you, Philomena? Better? Oh. That's okay. I know lots of other ways to take care of you. Don't worry. You're gonna get better.
She's running out of ideas
How
here.
about
Now what?
aromatherapy?
I like the feathers keep popping off. What the hell?
Warm bath?
What the hell? How did that happen?
Ointment?
How did the, what?
Scalpel.
Scalpel. Scalpel.
Surgical tape.
What? Surgical tape?
Feathers.
Feathers. She's gonna glue feathers to it. Well, not glue, but tape. Bloody angel.
Oh, Philomena.
Philomena looks so much better with all that
I tried everything I know.
tape on her.
And look at you. You're worse than ever.
I like the hair.
Hi, Fluttershy.
Oh, she just bursts in.
And say thank you so very much for making such a good impression on the princess today.
Oh my god!
What is Celestia's pet doing here?
I couldn't leave the poor thing there. She needed my help.
Oh, no. This is bad.
How could I just walk away and not do anything?
She doesn't belong to you.
I had to do something.
Without telling any pony? Without asking permission?
But
I know you had good intentions, but you have got to return the princess's pet.
But- you're right. Okay, let's go.
Such a drama queen.
If we hurry, we can put her back before any pony even realizes she's missing.
It's the Royal Guards!
We were told we could find Twilight Sparkle here.
We regret to inform you, miss, that the royal pet has gone missing.
Really? You don't say!
They're just like, what is happening? I'm so confused.
It's that dry night air?
But it's daytime.
Well, day air's even drier. You guards better be on your way if you're gonna find the princess's missing pet. Philomena, was it? much for keeping me in the loop. Bye!
Wow.
Phew. What are you doing? Going to return Philomena, remember?
I can't now!
Why not?
You have no idea what the princess is gonna do if she finds
She
you.
probably won't even do anything. She doesn't seem that strict of a princess from what I've known of her.
No, but it can't be anything good. She might banish you from Equestria, or throw you in a dungeon.
Put you in the Everfree Forest. Just come and see Burning Axe. He'll be there.
In the place that she banishes you to.
You really think the princess would do that?
No.
Okay, granted that probably won't happen, but do you want to take any chances?
All that really matters to me is that poor little Philomena here gets well.
Well then.
That's very noble of you. I'll write to you when you're banished. Unless I'm
Banished.
banished to somewhere there's no post office, then you'll have to write to me. Deal?
But how could she
Please,
write to
darling,
her?
Just
What?
help me get Philomena healthy, and then we can return her to the princess. And everything
Wow.
will be fine.
Did you give her any kind of medicine?
I tried to, but she wouldn't take it.
Ugh, then you have to make her take it. You can't be such a pushover, Fluttershy. You need to show this patient who's the boss. Make her straighten up and fly right.
She can't fly.
No excuses. Done. Okay, what else?
Well, she keeps pulling her feathers off. The ones that haven't fallen out yet from all her coughing, I mean.
There you go.
That'll work.
I don't think she likes it.
Come on, baby. You want her to get well, don't you?
Of course, but
Next!
well, she desperately needs some bed rest, but I can't get her to stay put.
One step ahead of you.
Oh, it's for your own good, Philomena, I promise. Please, just relax and try to get some sleep.
What's this soup over here? Smells delicious.
I made it for Philomena, but she wouldn't eat it.
Oh, she'll eat it all right.
Wow, Twilight's so mean. Tough love, but still.
Hey, where are you going? No.
Uh-oh. Why'd they leave the door open? Hey! It's the return of Benny Hill. I love the Benny Hill theme, dude. I'm so glad they put this back in again. It's reading a newspaper now. Wow, great disguise. They fell for it, like, wait, what? How'd they fall for that? Classic Scooby-Doo chase scene. Those guards must be blind. How'd they not see it?
What are you two doing? Are you having a race? Oh, can I play? What does it go?
Can I play Whatever We Go? She already went.
Excuse me.
Hey! Beg your pardon. What in tarnation?
Sorry, but we've got to find the
Princess's pet bird!
Philomena.
Damn.
Jump down from there. You'll hurt yourself.
There goes the last feather. I guess. It's dead! No, it's alive again. Okay.
I'll catch you.
What the fuck? What the hell? Why would... I mean, I don't even... Oh, Fluttershy, no, don't cry.
What is going on here?
Uh-oh.
Twilight?
How are you going to explain that to old
Your
Sunbutt?
Majesty, there's been a terrible accident.
It's all my fault.
No, Princess. Fluttershy didn't know any better. It was my fault.
I'm the one who did it.
But you were only trying to help.
Some help I was.
Will you let me do this? She'll go easier on me.
But it's my fault.
No, it's my fault. No, it's my fault.
But you...
Wait, what are we talking about?
Yeah. Shut up, Pinkie Pie.
Thanks for trying to protect me, Twilight, but Princess Celestia, I'm the one who took your pet bird. I really was only trying to help the poor little thing, then I was gonna bring it right back to you, honest. So, if you want to banish me and then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to, then that's what I deserve.
Oh, stop fooling around, Philomena. You're scaring every pony.
Wait a second. Okay, it's a phoenix. That makes sense. Fucking shout out to Harry Potter. That's a great series.
What is that thing?
It's a phoenix.
What happened to Philomena?
This is Philomena. She's quite a sight, as I said, but nothing unusual for a phoenix. Isn't that right, Philomena?
That noise.
A phoenix?
A phoenix is a majestic and magical bird. While it appears healthy and happy most of the time, every so often it must renew itself by shedding all of its
I actually
feathers
didn't
and
see that
bursting
coming for
into
some
flame.
reason. I should have guessed it from as soon as it burst into flames. I should have
It then
immediately
rises from
understood,
the
like,
ashes,
oh,
fresh as a
okay, I
daisy.
get it. But I didn't
All just a
understand.
normal part of the life
I
cycle
know
of a
now,
phoenix. I'm afraid mischievous little Philomena here took the occasion to have a little fun with you, Fluttershy. Say you're sorry, young lady.
Aren't you gonna banish me?
That noise.
Or throw me in a dungeon? Or banish me, then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to?
Of course not, my little pony.
Title drop.
Where on earth would you get such an idea?
I guess I have some imagination.
Twilight should be able
Fluttershy really did
to
do everything she
understand
could to try to take care of
Celestia
Philomena
more.
for you.
She's known her a lot
And I do
longer.
appreciate that your heart was in the right place, child. But all you had to do was ask me, and I could have told you Philomena was a phoenix and saved you all this trouble.
I know. I shouldn't have jumped to conclusions. Next time I'll ask before taking matters into my own hooves. Should I write you a letter about that lesson, Princess?
No, that's quite all right. I think I can remember.
Yeah. Did her tail get longer?
It's beautiful. Thank you, Philomena. No hard feelings.
Yeah, phoenixes are pretty badass. That worked. Gotta love Rainbow's humor. She had to get one laugh out of him. That was great. Yeah, I didn't see that coming though. The Phoenix thing. I should have guessed it from it bursting into flames, but I guess I just didn't. As soon as she was like talking to it again in the ashes, I was like, wait a second. And then it turned into a phoenix. I was like, oh my god, Harry Potter reference! I was like really confused, surprised. I wonder if Potterbrony picked up that on his blind reactions, if he actually blind reacts, and if he actually blind reacted to this episode. I have no idea. I haven't seen his channel. I just know that he is, a person. Anyway, stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed my reaction, I feel like I wasn't talking as much this episode. I pretty much say that every episode these days. I don't know. I feel like I've lost my touch. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then hit that subscribe button, and I'll see ya later. Bye! Hey, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see some more stuff, then don't forget to show your support by hitting that subscribe button. Oh, and take this free muffin. It's a transmorphic muffin, which means it's awesome. Alrighty then, see you later, every pony. Bye!